nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how easy it is to prepare shirataki noodles. Just like shirataki rice, this is low carb and low calorie. There are two types of shirataki noodles, angel hair and spaghetti. Today, we will use the spaghetti type. The angel hair is a little bit thinner than this. First, let's drain all water from the noodles. Wash it off a bit. Then add 4 cups of water to your saucepan and cook the noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, drain it again. Then, we will dry fry it into a non-stick pan at low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are done. Just toss the noodles into your prepared sauce, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.